Hi everybody, it's Alex here from the Import-Export. Welcome to another video training series. Just a quick update. Today I'm in Xi'an, or Xi'an as it's pronounced, and it's the home of the Terracotta Warriors. So if you've ever heard of that before, then it's definitely a place to see. Do not miss it once you're here. I took the overnight train from Beijing, which is something you should do, and I made a previous video on this. If you are coming to China and you're going to look at supplies, make sure you hire a translator. Make sure you get an actual guide, someone to help you out with the currency, with ordering cabs, ordering transport, because it was literally, it would have been a nightmare if I did not have my personal trusty assistant with me and my translator. Okay, she does both roles for me. A quick tip: if you are going to come to China, I'm here. I've got a great hotel room in the middle downtown Xi'an. All right, if you are going to stay here in Xi'an, come to downtown area, and and make sure any expense that you have, whether it's regards to cabs, food, when it comes to hotels, especially hotels where you buy even some clothing around here as well, what I do is I keep all my receipts and I give it to my accountant because he claims everything for me. Now obviously it's on a, obviously you're going to have to speak to an accountant about this, but it's something, if you are coming here for importing purposes like I am, then I keep all my receipts, all right? So just to go and talk about the whole, if you are going to come to Xi'an, make sure you actually get a place right downtown. And you'll see here, this is the outside of Xi'an. It's a fantastic view, as we have here. Xi'an is actually a very, very polluted area because the industrial districts are right next to the terracotta soldiers. And it's quite a very polluted city. It's more polluted than Beijing. So if you ever been to Beijing and you ever wondered and you ever thought, well, this is quite polluted, wait until you come to Xi'an. But the great thing about Xi'an is there is a lot of supplies, a lot of great factories where you can make contact. So I just want to quickly just make a quick video just to update you. And I may be making more videos over the coming weeks. I'll be heading to Shanghai and Hong Kong. I've got more trade tours and more, basically, more clients to see. So I'll talk to you real soon. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.